What is the cheapest Botox in the world? Castor oil. So what you do is before you go to sleep at night, you take some castor oil. It's very thick. Okay. You mix it with maybe a little coconut oil and you put it on your face, and it's the best and the cheapest Botox, the natural Botox you can even imagine in your whole life. Also, when you have a problem with any of the joints, you take the castor oil, you put it like this, then you take the plastic from the shrink wrap that you get in the kitchen, you put it round and round and round, and for half an hour, you just put a hot water bag on it. Magic. And if you have a problem with your digestion or your liver, same system. You take the castor oil and you put it like generously all over your stomach, your liver, your kidney, and then you wrap it around with shrink wrap and you put hot bag on it, hot water bag on it for half an hour. You have to understand one thing. That whatever research you read about is funded by the pharmaceutical industry, because the result of that research will tell you that you must buy this medicine. I have not heard of any research which says if you have diabetes, you just need to walk 5,000 steps a day because there's no profit in it. So I have predicted my own death. The medicine company and the pharmaceutical company, they'll have to kill me one day. Because the more famous I become, the more popular I become, the worse their business is going to get. It's okay, I'm ready. So no sunscreen. Please, I beg you, no sunscreen. If you are getting burnt, it means you are sitting in the sun for too long. And there is a very simple rule to understand for the rest of your life about what you can put on your skin. Very simple rule. You have to ask yourself one question. Christian Dior, very expensive. Can I eat it? If you cannot eat it, you cannot put it on your skin. And for women, two of the worst places to put any chemical on are the lips, lipstick, and the second is nail polish. It gets absorbed into your bloodstream in 3 seconds and is bad karma. Because you kill yourself when you kill your husband also. The point of the sun and to protect yourself, the only way is that you go in the sun when it feels nice and warm on your skin and you enjoy it. When it starts burning you, you run away. That is the point when it's dangerous, when it's bad for you, when it's aggravating your pitta. If you have to, make sure that the head is covered. Even when you're having a shower in the morning, if you are having a shower with the hot water, which you should not, you don't take the hot water directly on the head. It's terrible for your brain, it's terrible for your eyes, it's terrible for your heart, it's terrible for so many things. Even when you go to the sauna, you take a wet towel, and when you go into the sauna, you take the wet towel and you put it on your head. In Ayurveda, there is a saying, Sar Thanda, Pet Naram, Pair Garam, which means that the head always has to be cool, the stomach always has to be soft, and the feet always have to be warm.